Welcome back. We're getting some breaking news coming in from the state of Maharashtra. The Ajit Pawar camp of the Nationalist Congress Party is holding a protest today at the fort in Sindhudurg, where the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had collapsed a few days ago. Now, this is a strange development because Ajit Pawar's party is very much part of the government of Maharashtra. Mr. Pawar had also recently inaugurated government projects where pictures of the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, and the Chief Minister, Mr. Eknath Shinde, were very interestingly missing. Remember, the political storm over the collapse of the 35-foot statue of Shivaji Maharaj is intensifying with every passing day. Let me go across to Shweta now for more on this. Shweta, yesterday, of course, we witnessed a clash between supporters of Mr. Narayan Rane, of course, belonging to the BJP, and the UBT faction of the Shiv Sena. Today, we have an interesting development wherein the Ajit Pawar camp of the NCP is also protesting at the same site. Ajit Pawar also had apologized. He said, I apologize to the 13 crore people of Maharashtra for the collapse of the statue.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, in an interesting turn of events, what we understand is that being a part of tri-party Mahayuti, now NCP, Ajit Pawar faction is carrying out statewide protest over the collapse of Shivaji Maharaj statue that happened on 26th of August in Malwan. Now, remember, when it comes to Ajit Pawar, we have seen him playing emotional card, and very recently he took out on stage and he stated that I apologize to 13 crore people of Maharashtra that has happened, the collapse of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue in Malwan. Just after this, we have seen that already the Jan Samman Yatra is ongoing. Today it's in Beed and tomorrow it will be in Mumbai. Amid this, again, an emotional card by Mr. Ajit Pawar. Moreover, what we also understand is that all that is not well, not only in Mahavikas Aghadi but also in Mahayuti, where we see first there was this poster war which was ongoing. Then there was this credit war which was again emerging time and again, and now we see the part where in fact Ajit Pawar along with his Karyakartas in fact are protesting. This is so-called the silent demonstration what they are doing against the alleged corruption that has happened, and also they state that the thorough investigation should be done in this matter. Moreover, while we spoke to the Karyakartas, they are saying that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj name should not be brought inside politics, but yes, they all are. It is unfortunate indeed what has happened, but they all feel that it is an embarrassment and a shameful thing which has happened, and it should not be repeated. Meanwhile, we have also seen, it's not just in Mumbai but across various districts also, the silent demonstration that has taken place. While we were also talking to leaders like Manisha Tupe, she insisted on points that opposition, however, they have got a certain point, but again, the politics revolving around Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj name should not be done. With this, we also see that several questions are also arising when it comes to the alleged corruption that has taken place. Firstly, those two engineer names, those which are mentioned in the FIR, are the real culprits? Where exactly the direction of investigation is heading? And here we see that Ajit Pawar taking the responsibility and the accountability that has happened, the collapse of the statue. Moreover, he said that he apologizes to the people of Maharashtra, and today we are seeing shockingly, strangely, the statewide protest that is being carried out by the NCP faction of Ajit Pawar. Back to you.
Shweta, we do know, of course, that not everyone within the RSS camp in particular is happy about Ajit Pawar being an alliance partner as far as the Mahayuti government in Maharashtra is concerned. Also, Ajit Pawar would not want to be seen lagging behind in terms of outrage over the collapse of the statue. After all, his party contested 4 seats and managed to win just 1. There's pressure on him, and also, of course, there are disagreements now emanating from within the Mahayuti camp. Now, acknowledging the collapse as an unfortunate incident, the Mahayuti Netas have said that a bigger statue of Shivaji would be built. We have some more reactions now coming in. Let's listen.
Well, in an interesting turn of events, what we understand is that NCP of Sharad Pawar faction is carrying out this silent demonstration at Juhu Beach, just near the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And this is to do with what has happened in Malwan, where we see an 8-month-old statue had collapsed, bringing a lot of criticism to Mahayuti. But here at the same time, Mr. Ajit Pawar also apologized to 13 crores people of Maharashtra, stating that this shouldn't have happened here. We understand that it's statewide protest that is taking place in Mumbai. We are getting you the visuals from Juhu Beach, and similarly the protest is also taking place at Chembur.
मी ह्याबद्दल महाराष्ट्रातल्या 13 कोटी जनतेची माफी मागतो की युगपुरुष छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज हे आपल्या सगळ्यांचं दैवत आहे आणि त्या दैवताचा पुतळा त्या पद्धतीने असा वर्षाच्या आत त्या पद्धतीनं ते नादुरुस्त होणं किंवा पडणं हे सगळ्यांना धक्का देणारी बाब आहे.